Well guys, today is going to be exciting because I'm going to be doing some last minute decorating for the holidays using these beautiful cloches. And this is a part of collaboration for the Christmas Cloche. And that's by Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the co-host is Deborah Cabasa Home Living. And guys, I will leave the links to these wonderful creators in the description bar below, along with the playlist for this collaboration, guys. Amazing channels, and I'm sure that you would definitely be subscribing because they are so hot right now on YouTube. So I'm just showing you some of the items, by the way, that I'm going to be using to decorate my buffet and my dining room. I love the formality of sitting down and having a formal dining room, and my dining room is bedecked down to the ground, but I want to decorate my buffet. I was going to use these really pretty placemats, but instead I went with something a little bit more festive and light and bright. So I'm adding on this lighted garland along with this really pretty little faux fur rug. Guys, it looks like snow. It's going to work. And I'm going to be adding to that this Pure One tray. I absolutely love the way this tray looks. It's giving off a lot of illumination and reflection, which is what I need for my cloches. So what I'm going to be doing is I have two of these gilded cloches that I got from Home Goods years ago. If I see more, I will definitely pick them up. Perfect for tea parties and just entertaining throughout the year. And I'm going to be adding in these little, they're actually napkin holders from Kirkland's, but they're perfect size for these cloches to add in some greenery as a base to my luminar candles. So I'm going with it, guys. No one will be the wiser. And it's nice to take things and use them in an unconventional way. I find it so cute and a great idea for decorating. So I'm adding on my luminars, and now I will be taking my cloche tops and adding them on respectively, guys. Absolutely love these. I've had these for years, and I can guarantee you, you will see them showing up at least once a year. Love these. And this one, they already came with the tops and the bottoms for these gilded cloches, but I also have another cloche that I'm going to be adding. I love to decorate in vignettes of threes. There's always just a vibe and a look that looks so finished when you use 3 and an odd number for doing vignettes. So I'm going to be adding in the same greenery to the bottom of the tray, a luminar candle, and of course this candle cloche from Kirkland's. It is made just for candles, so it's perfect for this vignette, and it's giving it 3 different levels of height, which I love. Now to add to this, instead of it looking a little bit bare, I added in some of these acrylic deers and some little lighted houses on the side. These are so pretty. I got these, I think, last year, the year before, and their copper tops, like for the roofs, are so pretty, and when the lights go down, they illuminate so gorgeous with that creamy look. With that copper top, is just perfect for any type of snow village or vignette that you want to create throughout the holiday season and even into the winter. So guys, as you can see, the reflection of the actual charger that I'm using for a tray is perfect for this vignette with the lighted garland in the back. And then also I have some DIY trees on each side to really complete the look. And I actually can leave the link for how I made those in the description bar below. So guys, I hope that you go visit our host. Thank you for hosting. And I will definitely be leaving her links to Deborah Cabasa and also Grace DIY Home Decor's channels in the description bar below. Excellent creators, and guys, also the playlist for each and every one that will also be participating. So I hope you were able to get some great last minute ideas for decorating for the holiday season. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video. It helps my channel so much. Hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing. Hopefully you do, because I would love for you to come along on this amazing journey on my YouTube channel. And if you're going to be going away, I hope you guys have safe travels, have a Merry Christmas, and a really happy New Year. Love you guys.